So this is one of those days where you're just really tired of nagging your husband, and you just say, you know what, I'm gonna do it myself. So here we go. We're going to put a bicycle seat on my bicycle. Okay, so I had to take off this quick release, what is this thing, from my bicycle seat. This is to adjust the bicycle seat in order to get the seat frame mounted. So I did this piece and I have attached it to the wheel frame right here. Still have to tighten it, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and then I will tighten and adjust as needed. Okay, so the child seat frame is on and it is sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I'm concerned about this, how it's all like not level, horizontal. We're gonna see what put that away, thank you. We're gonna see how that works out. Anyway, hopefully it won't be a big deal, but yeah, that's how it's looking so far. So I just tried on the seat here, and he is going to be probably pitching forward way too much. So I think I can make a little adjustment. What I need to do is down here, the adjustment. But unfortunately, it is not that much room that I can lower it, and then the screws won't be touching the wheel. So let's try it. I was worried about it having too pitching forward too much, but that looks like it's gonna be okay. I had Isaac try it out for a little spin. He's upset because he couldn't catch a skink, but that was it.